What's up, YouTube? I just wanted to do a quick kind of partial unboxing here of the new Woodpeckers Clampzilla panel clamps. I am super excited to get these. They cost me quite a bit of money, but I wanted to see if they were worth it, especially as much as I plan on gluing up some panels. So let's open this thing up. So they came in a box like this. I had ordered a set of 4. The box wasn't torn. I did that when I was opening the box. And they're packed individually in these little smaller long boxes. Just gonna try not to cut myself here. I'm cutting it like an idiot. I'm also trying to hold the phone. There we go. Okay. Let me try to get this off. Sorry. There we go. So that just pops off at the end there like that. Okay. And you can see part of it sticking out. And then what I learned with one of the other ones I had opened up is that you gotta open the sides here, otherwise it won't come out. And it's because that part catches on this part of the box. This does, catches here, so you can't just slide it out once you open it. You gotta open it from the sides after you take that end cap off. And here it is. Clampzilla. This thing looks like it is pretty well made. Stainless steel looks like. Got the brass pivot pin, some pretty heavy duty looking threads. Adjustable for panel depth. I believe this one goes up to, I can't remember if it's 38 or 36 inches. Full rate panel clamp. I'm not sure how the coating that's on it is going to be as far as glue cleanup. I'm probably going to test it out, see how well the glue will clean off of it once it's been used. If it is a pain to clean, then I will most likely put some sort of Tyvek tape, at least over where the wood's gonna go. So, and then this looks like it's about 1/2 inch thick. These little cotter pins here, they pop out pretty easy. See that? It just pops out. You can stick it back up here and it pops right back in pretty easy. So it doesn't look like it'd be too hard to really adjust. You can see that opens up pretty far for you to get some wood in there. And I will hopefully be making another video here soon showing how well they work as far as glue ups and making panels. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.